In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily check your Instagram likes. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then go to your profile. And after that, tap at menu and select your activity. Towards the very top of this list you can find likes, and if we get into it, that will show us all posts and reels we have ever liked on Instagram. By default they are sorted from newest to oldest, but you can sort it from oldest to newest. Also, you can select some specific time range. You can tap at all dates and then choose last week, last month, or last year, or you can just select some custom date range. Just choose start date and end date, tap at done and then apply. Also, right from here we can sort the liked posts by others, so you can just tap right here, and then if we want to find all the posts we have liked from some specific user, we can just check mark that user or multiple users at the same time and then tap at apply. That's how you can easily check your Instagram likes. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.